Hi guys, welcome back to Fashion Upward. I'm Teresa. Today we're going to be doing a eyebrow. I'm going to show you how to do my eyebrows. I've already primed my skin with the Pore Beneficial. As you can see, I do have a little bit of discoloration under my eyes and just the aftermath of being on Accutane. So with the eyebrows, my eyebrows are tattooed on, and I've had them tattooed probably for about 2 months. I'm going to use my mirror to kind of look. I've already placed mascara on. This mascara is by Essence. It's really good. You don't need too much of it. So I already have mascara on. But back to the brows, I did have them tattooed. I'm going to be using the Stud by MAC. I'll leave everything below, of course, like I always do. You know, I got y'all. And then the NARS Amandi and Dark Deep. So I'm going to be using that to just kind of carve out my eyebrows. And this is a really thin brush from Miniso. I talk about it in all my videos. I linked that. I got this, purchased that in China. So I'm just kind of spooling my brows now to get any sparse brows, to just get them all to lay down. So just checking that. They're pretty even. So I am creating strokes. I got this method from Tiara Walker's channel. I will link her information below. I thought that this was a genius concept, especially because I already have the foundation of my eyebrows being tattooed on, and your girl is a little bit shaky still when it comes to doing her eyebrows. So my eyebrows kind of have the natural shape of a rooftop of a house. See, it goes up and then slant and then up and then down. So I found that this is really helpful. So I will link her information below if you're interested on seeing a full tutorial on how she slays her eyebrows. So now that both brows are done, I think that they look pretty good. I think that they look like their sisters, so I'm cool with that. So now I'm going to take my brush and it's a really thin brush. It really works well when carving out the eyebrows, so try to find a brush that really thin bristles so that you can work better. So I'm just taking the NARS Amandi and Dark Deep and going under to carve it out, clean it up. And I don't do it on the top because I always found that I'm just a little bit shaky because I'm not a professional. I'm learning though. I really am. I'm learning by watching like tutorials and then just figuring out the shape of my face and kind of like what works and what doesn't work. I tell you that getting my eyebrows tattooed really helped. I want to wait like a year or two, and I really want to go and get them micro bladed because I really like the concept of already having it carved out. I'm just kind of like cleaning it up or just adding in where the ink really didn't take. So I think that looks good. There you go, you guys. Let me know if this was helpful for you. I hope that it was helpful for you. Thank you so much again. Be sure to subscribe and like this video. Till next time. Bye.